Sedasi yoina sada kunmapan lami kudong tiba thokdok sing thokpa maramna mi Shibagi Chang asi Wangli haina Manipur lenga ki additional chief secretary Anurag Baspaina phongdokrai wafam asi tha amasum sathagadaba national road safety manka mari lenana strengthening media partnership for safer roads haiba topic ta pangthokpa nomgiba media sensitization ge thoramda phongdokhibani Manipur lenga ki transport department sinduna kaisam pataleba Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR ge auditorium da pangthokpa thoramduda All Manipur Working Journalists Union ge president Asem Bhakta Editors Guild Manipur ge president Khogendra Khomdram Transport Director Kumantem Daina DIPR ge director Ngangom Uttam amadi Traffic Control Police ke additional SP Tayanjam Biswarjit Su Sarugya Thoramadu the Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Baspaina Hakivada Traffic ki kanun ngakna satpa haibasina lamida thokpa khudong thiba thokdok sing hantahanduna mamal yamlaba miyang punsi kanba ngamgadoribani Traffic ki sana fathap ngakna satpa haibasi aikhogi pangthoktaba yadraba thodang ama ohengadabani masina saukhatpa khunai ama oiraknabagi lambida khong thangjinba ngamgadoribani amaromda khunai amagi apapata punomak sumthokpada asoba thodang loriba media person singna road safety gi matang da phongliba ipau kena miyam gi mamal yamlaba punsi kanbada asoba mateng oiri haina phongokhi man makata na haikibada hokibasai khara sida india gi oina lambida thokpa laibak thiba thodokki fatality rate asi sad mapanoi ki adubu manipur gi oina di lambi gi laibak thiba thodok asi sad kun mapanoi dina mi Shibagi Chang asi ka hena wangbo oiri kumjali singani kunithoi di sad kun trama thoi fawu yauki Maramaduna Lamdam Sigi Miamda, Road Septic Wakalon Henelehan Magalina, Miam so traffic is an apatap singana Satpamatota Hena, Anurag Baspaina Makatana Fondoki.
The aim is to sensitize citizens to the importance of traffic rules, responsible driving, and protection of human life in line with the theme Sadak Suraksha, Jeevan Suraksha. Members of the media present here or attending these functions in various districts are requested to provide extensive coverage of these activities so that the information about the campaign reaches a wider mass across the state, and it encourages their active participation in promoting a culture of road safety. In this collective effort, the role of media is extremely crucial. Media is not just a messenger, but it is a powerful partner in shaping public behavior, as I mentioned earlier, and social attitudes.